In today's video, I'm going to help you get rid of ants in your house just like a professional, but in a way that you can do it yourself and save hiring anyone. You've got to understand a couple of secrets, and the first is professionals don't shop at big box stores. They don't go there because the products they sell don't get rid of ants effectively. To get rid of ants like a professional, you've got to use a professional product. But in this video, I'm going to show you one that is easy, affordable, and it's only a single step, and it actually works. The product is called Advion, and it's very different than anything else because it's not a powder, a spray, or a granule. It's actually a gel that you apply where the ants are coming in. When you get your Advion, this is exactly what you'll receive. It's a single package that includes 4 syringes. Now there's no metal tips involved, there's nothing sharp, but these are designed with a purpose. They want you to be able to get the product exactly where the ants are. You don't need to mix anything or even shake anything up. This stuff is ready to use. All you've got to do is take that plastic syringe, insert the plunger that they give you, remove the protective cap, and screw on the syringe tip. And now in less than 10 seconds, you're ready to solve your ant problem. And remember, you're not putting the gel onto the ants and you're not trying to squirt it in the spot that the ants are coming in. This is a bait, so the ants are going to smell it and they're going to come to it. So if you've seen ants in the kitchen, putting it down by the baseboards or the door is just fine. And a popular place for ants to come in are spots like your cracks and crevices, and that's where this tool is perfect. You can squirt the gel right under the baseboard or in any cracks that you think that the ants may be near. Don't squirt in the entire tube anywhere. That won't help you any and you're just going to waste product. If you don't want to apply it directly to a surface, there's an easy option for that as well. You can get these bait traps. These are cheap and they're essentially empty shells that you can put the Advion in. Now these have an advantage because you can move them around or you can throw them out when it's done, and it makes the job a lot cleaner. But if you don't want to buy these, you can apply it directly to a surface. You just want to avoid any areas that you prepare food or an area that gets cleaned a lot because you obviously would remove the Advion. Now that it's down, you've just got to sit back and wait. Now this can be difficult because it can take between 2 to 5 days and you may not even know it's working, but the ants will find that bait, they'll eat it and share it with the colony. This is one of the best products on the market and it's been around for almost 15 years. And if you look at the reviews online, you'll know why I'm so excited about it. Advion kills all the ants you want to get rid of, those little black sugar ants as well as big Carpenter ants and all type of ants in the middle. And here's another great use for Advion. You can use it in a shed or anywhere outside, but if you're putting it down on a flat surface, the weather is going to wash it away really quickly. So here's another option you can use. These are outdoor bait stations, so you can put the Advion inside and it'll be protected from the elements so the sun and the rain won't wash it away. Now in the middle of this is a stake that has small holes in it, and those holes will allow the ants to crawl up inside and they can eat the bait the same way that they would inside the house. Now this Advion gel is ideal for use inside the house, but if you use it outdoors, you will get some control as well. Now there are many ways to control ants, but I've never found any better method than this. It's simple, it's affordable, and it takes you just a few minutes, but the results in getting rid of the ants is why you're using it. You check the reviews online, I think you'll be blown away by what you see, but this is probably a product you've never seen before. So I hope you found this video helpful. Will really get you to get rid of your ants in a short amount of time. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already for more videos coming up.